few years ago, I regrew my goat's missing legs in a photo in Photoshop. That's the moment AI stopped being hype and got real for me. I'm Don, founder of Wise and Wired Studio. I'm retired from tech now, and I want to share what I've learned with fellow baby boomers so AI can work for you the same way it's working for me. In this video, I'll show you a simple 4-question method that turns a mediocre prompt into a great one. Let's talk about why prompting matters so much. A prompt is what you type to the AI. Prompting is not the same as putting keywords in a search bar. How you ask makes an enormous difference to the quality of what you get back. The single biggest skill that separates people who get great results from AI from people who get mediocre ones is how they write their prompts. The difference between asking, "Tell me about Italy," and giving your actual context, who you are, what you like, what you're trying to accomplish, is enormous. Vague prompts get vague answers. Specific prompts get specific, useful answers. Today, we go deeper with a framework you can use every time, so you're not just guessing at what makes a prompt strong. There are several frameworks useful for work-related prompts. You can find those on Google. But for this video, I've created a simple framework of 4 questions to create powerful and useful prompts. 4 questions to include in any prompt that matters. Who? Tell the AI who it should be, or what kind of expertise it should draw on. A doctor, a travel agent, a writing coach? Give it a role. What? State exactly what you want, clearly and specifically. Help me plan a trip is a start. Help me plan 7 days in Portugal is better. Context. Tell me, the AI, the background information on the request. Your age, your preferences, your constraints. AI does better when it knows your context. Context is one of the most important parts of a good prompt. Format. Is the output a table or bullets, a document, or some other format? Short or detailed? How long should it be? 10 bullets? 3 pages? Put these 4 things together, and you'll get dramatically better results when typing in a quick, vague question. Let's put the framework to work piece by piece. Say I'm preparing for an upcoming doctor's appointment. Who? What is AI's persona in creating the end goal? Act as a knowledgeable health advocate who helps patients prepare for doctor visits. What is the output you are asking for AI to generate? Give me a numbered list of 8 to 10 questions, organized by topic, that I can print. Tell the AI why you are making the request. I have an appointment with my cardiologist about ongoing chest tightness. And how do you want the answer? Give me a short, numbered list of questions I can print out and bring with me. Put together as one prompt, all 4 pieces combine into something dramatically more useful than just typing, "What should I ask my cardiologist?" Let's see what this would look like as a prompt in Claude. Here's Claude AI in a browser. Let's ask the prompt we created in the example. And here's Claude's response. Notice that it created a comprehensive list of questions and is asking what format it should produce to use those with the doctor. You could ask it for more detail or get specific about the format in follow-on prompts. Keep this simple model of who, what, context, and format in mind whenever you are creating a prompt, and you will get dramatically better results from AI. I hope this video has been useful. If you have any questions about anything in this video or about AI in general, there are 2 great places to take them. Our Facebook community at facebook.com/groups/wisewired is full of people at the same stage as you. or you can email me directly at don@wisewired.ai. We also have a free weekly AI briefing with practical AI news and tips focused specifically on the baby boomer community. I would love to have you subscribe at www.wisewired.ai. This video is part of a growing library we are creating about AI on YouTube for people like us. You'll find the rest right here on the channel. If this one was helpful, subscribe so you won't miss what's next. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.